Okay, here we are. We're going to check out my 20 odd year old MSR Whisper Lite camp stove. Got to warm it up. If you look real close right here, there is a loop in the fuel. It goes up into where the flame would be, and that allows the fuel, the liquid fuel, to atomize properly so that you get a good clean blue flame. And it comes with its own reflector and wind guard, which I have attached. You pump the fuel bottle, pressurizing it using this plunger here, and you turn on the pressure with this knob here, right here, and you get a little bit flowing. It's hard to work one-handed. Get the fuel to come out a little bit, and you light it. Okay, and then you shut it off. And what happens is the burning fuel collects. You can see it down at the very bottom there. And what happens is it collects in the bottom of that little pool, and you see the flame up, as you see right now. And this is necessary. It's called preheating. And that gets the fuel tube nice and hot and properly atomizes the fuel. Right now it's a little bit concerning because it's overflowing the thing on the bottom. Last time I lit this, I had fuel drop through my table onto my concrete floor and stay there burning. Okay, now we see the flame is burning down. And when it's almost completely out, you can turn the pressure knob back on, and the stove ought to light right back up with a nice blue flame. And then my pan, which is an EMS mess kit fry pan, is made to fit exactly in that foil circle that you see there. I don't know why this isn't going down all the way. Must put a lot of fuel in there. Anyway, there is a lot of fuel, and the fuel is pretty efficient. I can see it bubbling in the cup at the very bottom of there. You can see the flame on the bottom part, and the fuel is just about ready to go out. Here we go. I should be able to light it back up. Oh, I guess it needs some flame. So we're going to give it just a little bit of pressure. And look at that. And you can hear a slight hissing, but some of the stoves, the competitor stoves, are very loud. Hence the name Whisper Lite, because this is a very relatively quiet stove. Believe it or not, you can boil a quart of water in one of these thin-walled mess kit pans that I have in just a few minutes, and it takes, I don't know, 3 or 4 ounces of fuel. So there's the fuel bottle. There's the pump and regulator, and there's the braided hose that goes up to the stove, and you can see the reflectors now showing red. It's pretty hot. Don't want to stick your finger in there. And time to turn it off, you just turn the pressure off. As you noticed, I haven't pumped it. I haven't really pumped it probably in, I've been out here off and on all day turning the thing on and off using it, and I think I put about 15 pumps on there, and I haven't had to increase the pressure at all the whole time, so it retains the pressure pretty decently, and takes a little while for it to die down once you turn it off, but the fuel eventually stops coming out of the nozzle, and we'll go out. And there you have it. MSR Whisper Lite. Even had my handy dandy service kit that came, well, I didn't come with it, but I bought it And I was able to replace the plunger bushing, which had shrunken away to a unusable diameter. Wasn't developing any pressure. And there you have it. Stove's out. I'm going to cook something now.